If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
Welcome to First Garden New Gardener. I'm Joy Baird. What would be the best tool that you can have as a new gardener? Well, one is your hands, but if you had to do with an actual piece of equipment, I would recommend a hard tine garden fork. Not a hay fork. This is a hard tine fork, very thick tines on it, for a variety of reasons. One, you can harvest root crops such as Jerusalem artichokes, potatoes, beets, onions very easily. The soil will fall through the tines. But also, whenever you're working the soil, if need be, as we will have to in this bed, we can get in here and lift the soil up in order to remove the roots. Bounce it a couple of times on there, and the roots stay on the tines and the soil falls through. Whether you're dealing with creeping Charlie or grasses, you're not damaging worms. What worms are there, they're able to fall through, but all of that you would have chopped with a shovel. You can get a garden trowel and do this, but we find that a garden fork is the best tool. Now, you can get these on sale at a yard sale or a thrift store, but if you're serious about it, it's worth buying a brand new one, $30, $40, $50, something like that, based on where you can get it, and it'll last you many, many years. It's not a crowbar. If you dig in the ground and get a hold of something and start prying, these will bend, and you won't be able to get them back to their original shape. So if you feel that tension, back off. So it's well worth the investment of a garden fork, not a hay fork. Thanks for watching. I'm Joy Baird, and this has been First Garden New Gardener.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.